One warm summer afternoon, a little boy named Shang-Chi found a magical kite in his backyard. It was not like any kite he had ever seen before. It was big, with vibrant colors and intricate designs. Shang-Chi was curious and decided to fly it. He ran as fast as his little legs could carry him, and when he let go of the string, the kite soared high into the sky. As he watched the kite dance in the wind, Shang-Chi felt a strange sensation. A soft glow enveloped him, and suddenly, he was floating off the ground, rising higher and higher. "Wow, this is amazing!" Shang-Chi exclaimed, laughing with excitement. He felt like he could touch the clouds. He looked around and saw the world from a completely new perspective. Suddenly, he heard a voice. "Welcome, young one. I am the spirit of the wind. I've been waiting for someone worthy to find my kite." Shang-Chi was surprised but not scared. "I'm Shang-Chi," he said. "I found your kite, and I'm having the best time of my life flying it." The spirit of the wind smiled. "That's because the kite is enchanted. It allows you to fly. But be careful, for with great power comes great responsibility." Shang-Chi listened carefully, promising to take care of the kite. He spent the rest of the day flying higher and higher, enjoying the view and the feeling of freedom. When the sun began to set, Shang-Chi slowly descended back to the ground. He hugged the kite tightly, grateful for the magical experience. From that day on, Shang-Chi learned to appreciate the world from a new perspective. He promised to always use his powers responsibly and to never forget the adventure of the little boy who could fly.